Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Wiser app. In order to do so, here we are at wiserapp.co. And as you could see, in order to gain access to the Wiser app, you can download it on the App Store or you can get it on Google Play. But what is Wiser all about? Well, you can understand powerful insights in 15 minutes. It gives you easy access to the key insights from the world's best books on productivity, business, negotiation, money, investment, health, love, and more. You could save time. You can have access to it every time, everywhere. You gain access to almost unlimited books and you can track your progress. Also, Wiser becomes smarter every day. The Wiser pick every piece of content according to your goals and needs. You can get books customized and enjoy your fun journey to the top. Read and listen. Wiser gives you access to the key insights from the world's best books on productivity, business, negotiation, money, investment, health, love, and more. And you can listen to a wide range of books designed to help you think and learn about your self-growth path and gain insight into only 15 minutes book summaries on the go. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested, take a look in the description and you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.